Welcome to Orage Technologies. Tips and tricks to make money from your YouTube channel. Here are 12 strategies you can consider. 1. Build your brand. Even if you aren't directly making money off of your videos, you can still utilize your YouTube channel as a platform to demonstrate your subject matter knowledge and establish your own brand and create a brand voice. 2. Promote your business or services. Utilize your YouTube account to advertise any products or services you may have. For attracting potential consumers and clients, providing excellent and helpful material can help you promote your business in the industry. 3. Affiliate marketing. You may insert affiliate links in the descriptions of your videos and earn commission when customers use your links to make purchases. 4. Crowdfunding. You can use crowdfunding platforms to fund special projects, equipment upgrades, or other ventures related to your channel. 5. Sell digital products. If you are an expert in a certain field, you may produce and market digital goods to your audience, such as ebooks, templates, presets, or online courses. 6. Offer personalized services. Offer specialized services like advising, coaching, or tutoring if you have a talent that others are interested in. Make use of your YouTube account to demonstrate your knowledge and draw in new customers. 7. Networking opportunities. Having a conversation with your audience might open up networking possibilities in your industry. Join forces with other content producers, go to industry gatherings, and make relationships that might result in work possibilities. 8. Leverage other platforms. Expand your visibility on social media sites like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook by starting with your YouTube channel. This may create new business opportunities and revenue streams. 9. Public speaking engagements. As your reputation builds, you might be invited to speak at conferences, seminars, or workshops, which can provide speaking fees and exposure. 10. Freelancing or gig work. To get freelance or gig employment in your profession, utilize YouTube to highlight your expertise and your channel as a portfolio. 11. Sell physical products. If you have a creative side, you may develop and market tangible goods like goods, artwork, or crafts that appeal to your target market. 12. Build a Patreon or subscription model. While not directly on YouTube, you can use platforms like Patreon to offer exclusive content and perks to subscribers in exchange for monthly support. Contact us if you need any digital marketing, designing, or development services. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Don't forget to follow our social handles. Thanks for watching.